back to my vlog. So today, andito ako sa Nueva Ecija sa bahay ng aking pinsan. Andiyan siya sa loob. So yeah, hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm Sheena. So we're here at Nueva Ecija para tumambay. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm Sheena. So, I'm here at Nueva Ecija. Yes, panoorin nyo na lang yung clip kasi mula QC hanggang Nueva Ecija yun. Yun. Now we're here at the terminal of bus and I'm waiting for them. No, waiting for the bus though. Yeah, my seat is so polka dots and very coquette. So guys, nasa bus na kami and papunta na kaming Nueva Ecija.
Sarap, Jerun boss, Jerun baboy.
Kakatapos na
Ato na yung ganda ng masarap pa dito.
Yeah, go for the bro.
Makain nyo, Jerun
Bus stop na. Nasa SM Bulilan kami. Hi guys, so we're here at the bus stop para bumili ng pagkain at mag-CR kasi hina ako as like, ganun. Guys, nasa San Miguel kami, around San Miguel. Then look at me, it's so pretty man. Hi guys, so this is our day 1 in Nueva Ecija. So, yeah. It looks good. Apple. Swimming kami para sulit ang aming punta dito kasi sobrang init din. Look at the view guys. Ayan. Ganda. May what?